If you want to install Grammarly on Chrome, this video will walk you through the process step by step, quickly and easily. Grammarly is one of the most popular writing assistants available, and adding it to Chrome can help you write better emails, clearer documents, and more polished online messages as you browse the web. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Grammarly, AI, Writing Assistant, then open the official extension page. If you want a faster way, you can also visit grammarly.com/Chrome in your browser and click the Get Grammarly, It's Free button. That will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store page for the extension. Once you are on the Grammarly page, look for the blue Add to Chrome button. This is the main button you need to start the installation. Click Add to Chrome, and Chrome will immediately show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to add Grammarly, AI, Writing Assistant to your browser. This step is important because it gives Grammarly permission to work inside Chrome. To continue, click Add Extension. After that, Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. It usually only takes a few seconds, so just wait for the process to finish. Once Grammarly is installed, a new page may open asking you to sign in or create a Grammarly account. If you already have one, go ahead and log in. If not, you can create a new account and follow the on-screen setup steps. This helps Grammarly sync your preferences and get ready to use across websites. Now, to make Grammarly easier to access, you'll want to pin it to your browser toolbar. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. A menu will open showing your installed extensions. Find Grammarly in the list, then click the pin icon next to it. When you do this, the Grammarly icon will stay visible on your toolbar, making it much easier to open and use whenever you need it. If you ever don't see the icon right away, click the extensions button again and make sure it is pinned. And that's it. Grammarly is now installed on Chrome and ready to help improve your writing. You can use it on emails, forms, documents, and many websites while browsing online. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.